Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to clean up your inbox in Gmail quickly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, just open Gmail. And currently, as you can see, I have approximately 60 emails in my inbox. So now I'll show you a method you should follow to delete all of these emails. So to do this, you'll have to go to Settings, which is on the top right, and then click on See All Settings. After that, you'll have to go to the inbox page, which is over here. Then under Categories, select Updates, which is this option over here. Then scroll down and click on Save Changes. So now as you can see, my inbox has reduced to 47 emails because all the others have gone in the Updates page. So I'll show you what the Updates page is. So in Updates, you'll find all of the auto-generated emails such as notifications, newsletters, or bills and statements. So now what you've got to do is identify the senders that repeatedly send emails. So let's say I receive a lot of emails from this website. Then what I can do is right-click next to this. Over here, select Find Emails from this particular website, which is over here. And now as you can see, all the emails which I've received from this have come here. And if I want to delete them, I can click on this box over here to select all, and click on Delete, which is over here. And now all emails from this website have been deleted. So now I'll go back in the same way. I'll continue the process. Just look for senders that send a lot of emails. Then right-click, then click on Find Emails, and you can delete all of them from there. So once you're done with this process, and if you want to disable the Updates page, then the same way go to Settings and on See All Settings. After that, go to Inbox. Then uncheck this box next to Updates and click on Save All Changes, and now it's done. So that's basically how you can clean up your inbox in Gmail quickly. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.